The coconut palm bears mature coconuts, ready to begin a new life cycle. A ripe coconut detaches from the tree, initiating its fall. The fall is a crucial stage for seed dispersal and propagation. Upon landing, the coconut may germinate if conditions are right. This begins the growth of a new coconut palm. Coconuts can float in water due to their unique structural adaptations. The outer skin of the coconut is thick and water-resistant. Beneath the skin is a fibrous husk, composed of air-filled tissues. This husk significantly reduces the overall density of the coconut. The air trapped within the husk provides buoyancy, allowing it to float. This adaptation aids in seed dispersal across oceans and saltwater environments. Ocean currents play a key role in the dispersal of coconuts across vast distances. The coconut's buoyant husk is essential for its prolonged survival in marine environments. This natural buoyancy allows coconuts to float for extended periods. Ocean currents facilitate the transportation to distant shores, aiding propagation. A coconut washes ashore, initiating a natural germination process. The coconut rests on the sandy beach, awaiting optimal conditions. Time-lapse visuals capture the extended period of dormancy. Germination begins with sufficient moisture and warmth. Roots emerge, anchoring the coconut in the sand. A sprout develops, reaching for sunlight to initiate growth. Germination begins with a shoot emerging from a coconut eye. One shoot grows downwards, developing into the root system. Simultaneously, another shoot grows upwards, seeking sunlight. This upward growth ensures access to essential light for photosynthesis. The dual shoot system establishes the foundation for a new coconut palm. Coconut root systems anchor seedlings in sandy soil. The animation shows root growth and soil interaction. Internal coconut meat provides initial nutrients. Coconut water also serves as a food source. These resources support early seedling development. Roots establish, drawing nutrients from the soil. The seedling begins its development by sprouting its first simple leaves. These initial leaves often resemble small, delicate green flags. This early stage highlights the critical role of sunlight. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, fueling the seedling's growth. The time-lapse captures seedling growth over an extended period. Observe the gradual increase in the seedling's overall size. Note the development of leaves into a pinnate, feather-like structure. The primary focus is on the root system's underground development. The tree experiences rapid vertical growth during its teenage phase. A robust, ringed trunk develops, providing structural support. The trunk's rings indicate annual growth cycles. The first flower cluster, or inflorescence, emerges. This marks the tree's transition to reproductive maturity. The tree is now capable of producing seeds and continuing its life cycle. The coconut inflorescence is a complex structure that emerges from the plant. This inflorescence will eventually develop into a cluster of coconuts. The development process relies on effective pollination mechanisms. Pollination involves the transfer of pollen to the female flowers. Successful pollination is essential for fruit set and coconut production. Various agents, like wind or insects, facilitate pollen transfer. Mature coconut trees are known for their substantial annual fruit production. A single healthy tree can yield between 50 to 100 coconuts each year. This high yield underscores the coconut tree's economic and nutritional importance. Coconuts provide a versatile source of food for humans. The coconut water is a refreshing and hydrating drink. The tree's various parts also offer materials for shelter construction. A coconut consists of several distinct layers, each with a specific role. The outermost layer is the skin, providing initial protection. Beneath the skin lies the fibrous husk, offering cushioning and buoyancy. The hard inner shell protects the seed within from damage. Inside the shell is the coconut meat, also known as the endosperm. Coconut water fills the interior, nourishing the developing seed. Coconut trees demonstrate remarkable resilience to harsh environmental conditions. Their flexible trunks allow them to sway dramatically in strong winds. This adaptation prevents the tree from snapping or uprooting during storms. The tree's root system is also well adapted to withstand coastal erosion. An aging coconut tree's reproductive capacity declines naturally over time. This decline is indicated by a reduction in coconut production. Visual signs of aging are apparent on the tree's trunk. Changes in the leaves also indicate the tree's aging process. The life cycle of a coconut tree concludes with its natural death and eventual fall. This marks the end of the tree's contribution to the ecosystem. However, the cycle continues with the dispersal of new coconuts. Coconuts are spread by various means, including wind and water. Human intervention also plays a role in coconut dispersal. These dispersed coconuts begin their own journeys, starting new life cycles. Young coconut seedlings represent the continuation of the coconut palm life cycle. These seedlings are observed growing in various outdoor locations. This showcases the adaptability and widespread distribution of coconut trees. Each seedling has the potential to mature into a full-grown coconut palm. The growth of seedlings ensures the ongoing propagation of coconut trees. Coconut palms are a vital resource in many tropical and subtropical regions.